Hello, everyone. My name is Elliott.Hawkins. I am an eighth grade social studies teacher here at Creighton Middle School. I'm just so excited about this new school year and getting to teach your children and just for the opportunity for that. I know it's a little bit different this year, but it definitely is something that I'm looking forward to. This is my fifth year here at Creighton. Sorry, I had to add all those years up. And I absolutely love it here. I've been teaching eighth grade social studies all 5 years. I really feel like teaching is something that I was destined to do. I love it. I love interacting with your children. I love teaching them social studies. Some of the stuff that we're going to cover this year, eighth grade social studies is South Carolina history in terms of content. But one of the things that we're trying to do this year is with our new standards is teaching a bunch of historical thinking skills, and with that comes some different practices than I've been used to teaching. But it's a fun challenge, and it's something that I think is going to be way more beneficial to your students than just teaching them content. We're going to be covering content through covering those skills as well, and I think that's something that's going to be great for all of us. I'm going to actually share my screen with you guys. I'm going to show you where my course requirements are and how you can access your students' course requirements and where I will be posting assignments. So let me look. Give me 1 second. So if we go to, so right now we're on my Teams page. I'm in my test team right now, but if I go back, you will see, let's do my A block. So I'm on my general channel right now. You'll see all of my assignments I post here. They're normally due by the end of that day. So at midnight of that day, I normally give your students enough time, not only during that class, but during their RTI time, as well as during their the afternoon time to get stuff finished. Most of the time they get stuff finished before then, but it's here. I always post my assignments here. You can always have your student click on their assignments tab, and it'll show them all the different assignments that are there. If you click on the under the general channel, the files, and then of course after it loads, it will bring you to all the different files that I have posted. So if we ever do anything like PowerPoint slides or notes or anything like that, I will post those to here under this notes tab. But for right now, we're going to go to class materials, and here are my course requirements. You can click on that. I'll pull that up for you guys right now. And it's got all of my contact information. Your students oftentimes will just send me a chat on here. They can email me, they can call me, they can do anything like that. But this is where my course requirements are. My email is right here, elliott.hawkins at richland1.org. Here's the information for our textbook. If they should ever need that, here's all the information that you guys might need going forward here. I will go ahead and close that and stop sharing my screen so you guys can see my face again. Like I mentioned before, I am just so very excited to be teaching your students this year. I think it's going to be a great year. Yes, it's different. Yes, it's always changing, but that's kind of what makes this year kind of exciting and fun. It's a little different, and it's easy to get caught in a rut. And I think this year is definitely going to get some of us out of our ruts. So I hope that if you need anything, you can email me. You can have your student reach out to me through Teams, via chat, ask them to ask me a question. But I'm always here for you guys, as well as your students, first and foremost. So if there's anything that I can ever do to help you guys, just let me know. I'm always around, able. I will say I'm not as quick to respond as I normally am. My wife and I have a almost 6-month-old at home, and so that kind of keeps me tied up in the evenings. But especially during school hours and any time that I can, I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you have any questions, just send me an email. That's the easiest and the quickest way for me to get back into contact with you. Again, like I said, I'm excited to be teaching your students this year, and I just can't wait for a great year. Thanks again for allowing me the opportunity to teach your kids, and I just look forward to a great year.